The first question is, who sang the famous song Gunilds Elsker, 1998? The correct answer is B, Haugaard and Høirup, Frændeløs. Question 2. Who sang the famous song State Your Piece, 2005? The correct answer is B, Hootie and the Blowfish. Question 3. Who sang the famous song Too Far Gone, 1977? The correct answer is C, Neil Young. Question 4. Who sang the famous song Are You Ready for Love, 1979? The correct answer is D, Elton John. Question 5. Who sang the famous song Guajira, 1971? The correct answer is B, Santana. Question 6. Who sang the famous song Hot Butter, 1972? The correct answer is B, Popcorn. Question 7. Who sang the song I Can't Sleep Baby If I? The correct answer is D, R. Kelly. Question 8. Who sang the famous song Mr. Bojangles, 2001? The correct answer is C, Robbie Williams. Question 9. Who sang the song Bump Bump Bump? The correct answer is C, B2K and Diddy. And the last question is, who sang the famous song Sexy Sadie, 1968? The correct answer is D, Beatles. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.